Okay. So we got some berry suet. We got some high energy suet. We have a birdseed bell. And then I got squirrel food for the squirrels. So we're going to put these up. And then we're going to watch and see what happens. And the birds are steadily chirping away, so I can just imagine. Oh, it smells great. If I was a bird, I'd probably love eating this stuff. So we're going to pop this in the little cage. Close the door. I don't know if you can hear the birds, but boy, they're just chirping. Now this is the high energy one. It's got bird seed and all kinds of stuff that the birds like, I guess. I'm going to put that one in over here. It's a high energy. Now the only thing I'm concerned with, I'm hoping that this does not attract coons. I'm going to have that. I don't like that hanging, so I think I'm just going to leave it there on the tray, and they can pick. And then this one here is going to have some squirrel food. And this, you know what? This cost me a total of, this was scrap wood. With bird seed and everything, I didn't even spend $20. Oh, my bag. Ugh. Oh, there we go. Just break it off and stick it in. As I can, everything is going to fall apart if I just put it down in there. That helped the little squirrel out. I can just see it now. These birds are going to come running. Okay, squirrel. That should last you for, oh, I don't know, a day or two. No. There we go. That's it. Now we're going to just wait and watch the birds.